Children don't always get sick at the most convenient times. We understand that having a sick child is stressful enough without the added worry about if you will be able to get an appointment to see the doctor. What happens when your child comes home from school complaining of severe ear pain, or spikes a high fever at bedtime, or when they have trouble breathing while at a friend's house on the weekend? Thankfully, there is no need to wait until the doctor's office is open or to visit the emergency room. The Pediatric After Hours at the University of Maryland St. Joseph Medical Center is open from noon to midnight every day, including weekends and holidays. A staff of physicians and nurses specialized in pediatrics are available to provide care for those times when the doctor's offices are closed or unavailable to accommodate urgent or emergency visits. The Pediatric After Hours is directly connected to the Pediatric Inpatient Unit and is staffed by the same team of physicians and nurses, so in the event that your child has to be admitted to the hospital, the transition is seamless. As an extension of the emergency room, it is important to note that the Pediatric After Hours is for minor emergencies and will be billed as an emergency department visit with an ER copay. Some of the common conditions we see and treat include asthma, pneumonia, flu and RSV, vomiting, diarrhea and dehydration, strep throat and ear infections, skin conditions including rashes and wounds, allergic reactions, jaundice, and abdominal pain and constipation. Some of the services that we provide include radiology services such as x-rays, ultrasounds, and CAT scans, blood work, tests for strep, flu, and RSV, wound cultures, breathing treatments, and IV fluids. A summary of your visit and all lab results are faxed to your child's pediatrician at the end of the visit for continuity of care. The advantage of having your child seen at the Pediatric After Hours versus a traditional urgent care or emergency department is that your child is guaranteed to be seen and treated by a staff who specialize in the treatment of children and illnesses specific to the pediatric population. For questions or concerns, or to find out more about the services offered at the Pediatric After Hours, call 410-427-2066.